You know, Uganda is blessed. Because I was listening to this lecture last people explaining how a cloud is made. And I know many of you don't know how clouds are made. What is a cloud? They made clouds here. And it's not magic. It is science. And our young people need to learn science. A nation cannot develop unless it has science. You didn't hear what I just said. Noah was a scientist. God told him, gave him a curriculum, said, if this is what you're going to do to build yourself an ark. Whether you like it or not, even the cross of Jesus, it had to be made on measurement. The horizontal beam was not equal to the vertical beam. The vertical had to be longer than the horizontal. Whether you like it or not, science is going to meet you anyway. One of the greatest problems about why we are still learning is that we have not intentionally addressed the issue of science in our schools, in our colleges, in everything we do. But we are deliberately here at the Miracle Center coming 2024 because it's the year of open gates. And we say we're going to build a development center. Yeah. The development center. Ideas must be developed. It will have innovation. It will have incubation. It will have all kinds of stuff. It's very, very important. You know, God left us on this earth. And you know, he was coming in the cool of the day. God has no problem coming. It is us who have problem of going. We go there. We don't go light. We don't go alive, we go there. Someone has to die in order to go. But Enoch went. Elijah went, Elijah came back. Jesus, when he rose from the dead, he left, went, and came back. Paul went 3 times. Went to heaven, the first heaven, the second heaven, and the third heaven. He visited 3 heavens, and he came back. There's something we need to learn. From here to London is 8.5 hours. By flight. By ship, it is 45 days. By bicycle, from here to there, you will be dead. Something has to crack. Something has to happen. Right now, before I came, I checked on the internet, I checked on Facebook, I checked on some other social media, and someone in Australia is watching live. Someone in America is watching. Someone in Germany is watching. But I'm here. Robert was preaching, I was here, and he was sending comments. People of God, you have to understand that science was made by God to explain to humans the unexplainable. But without the anointing,
naye awatali mafuta
it's very difficult for you to get through this.
kisibu nnyo okubiyitamu n'obitegeera.
So tonight we have a great night.
Ekyo kyali tulina ekiro ekyamaanyi
God is going to do great
katonda
things.
agenda kuleeta ebyamaanyi.
We have our judges here.
tulina bajjajjaffe wano,
If they can stand up.
kansabe bajjajjaffe bayimukeko.
All our judges are here.
bajjajjaffe bombi bwe bali.
We are so glad to have you.
tuli basanyufu okuba nammwe.
Jesus' mighty name. Somebody goes to Pastor Jessica's judges, so they become my judge.
bajjajja ba Musumba Jessica kitegeeza bajjajja ba
Those people don't grow.
abantu abo badde tebakula.